Hello, welcome to our English Learning Pod. I'm Mark, and today we start learning English by diving into the world of mobile phones. How to buy them, fix common issues, and master the key terms. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, this episode is packed with useful information just for you. If you find this helpful, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an episode. With us, you'll build confidence in your English skills with practical lessons. Let's start.
Excuse me, could you help me choose a phone? I'm not sure if I want an Apple or Samsung.
Of course. Let's see, do you prefer high-res screens or long battery life? This Samsung model has a bright, high-res display, while the iPhone is known for its excellent camera quality.
What's the price difference?
The Samsung is £599 if you pay as you go, or £30 per month on a contract. The iPhone starts at £799.
I'll take the Samsung on contract, please.
Did you notice how the customer used polite questions and how the assistant compared features? Now, let's break down some of the vocabulary used here. Quick tip. Next time you're in a phone store, try using these phrases to sound confident. Let's go over some key terms you might hear when buying a phone. High-res, /high-res, /short for high resolution. It means the screen is very clear and detailed. This phone has a high-res screen. Battery life, /battery life, this refers to how long the battery lasts before it needs to be charged again. I need a phone with good battery life for my trips. Handset, /handset, this is just another word for the physical phone itself. The handset feels very lightweight. Contract. A contract is a monthly payment plan for your phone and service. She signed a 24-month contract. Pay as you go, /pay-as-you-go, this means you pay for your phone credit in advance, without a monthly bill. I top up my pay-as-you-go phone every month. Take a moment to repeat each word after me to practice your pronunciation. Asterisk. Which of these terms do you think is most important when buying a phone? Pause and think about it.
My phone keeps hanging. I can't use any apps.
Hanging means it's freezing, right? First, try restarting it. Hold the power button for 10 seconds. If that doesn't work, we might need to check for software updates or see if there's too much storage used.
Okay, thank you. I'll try restarting it first.
Restarting your phone is often the first step to fix many issues. Now, let's learn some more phrases for when your phone acts up. Here are some polite ways to ask for help with your phone. My phone is running very slow. What should I do? Why is there no signal in this area? My screen is cracked. Can it be repaired? Here's a tip and a little practice. First, think about which of these issues you've faced with your own phone. Pause for a second and consider how you would ask for help in English. Comment below. Engagement. Which issue do you face most often? Let us know in comments.
My phone won't charge at all. Is the port broken?
Let me take a look. Ah, I see there's some lint in the charging port. I'll clean it out for you. Also, always try to use the original charger to prevent any damage.
Thank you so much. I'll make sure to keep the port clean.
Cleaning the port is a simple fix that many people overlook. Now, let's practice some more vocabulary related to phone maintenance. Asterisk. Warranty. Warranty. This is the guarantee that the manufacturer will repair or replace your phone if it breaks within a certain period. Does this come with a warranty? Data. This refers to the amount of information you can use for internet on your phone. How much data does your plan include? What does top up mean? That's right. It means adding credit to your phone. Great job. When dealing with mobile phones in English-speaking countries, remember, always start with polite phrases like, excuse me, or could you please? Understand that contracts involve monthly bills, while pay-as-you-go means you pay in advance. Prices in stores are usually fixed, so don't expect to bargain like you might in some other cultures. Have you ever tried bargaining for a phone? Share your story with us. Now, I'm really excited to hear from you. What's your dream phone feature? Share it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe so you can keep learning English with us. We've got more great episodes coming your way. Before we finish, let's do a quick quiz. What's a contract? That's right. It's a monthly payment plan. Great job.